I'm Jess and I'm studying an MSc in Nutrition, Physical Activity and Public Health. I chose to study this degree because it's multidisciplinary. It incorporates all things nutrition, physical activity and public health in terms of prevention, treatment, maintenance of different diseases, different populations, different areas. It also really factors in practical and theoretical research methods. When I started the course, I didn't realise how much everything you learn really does factor into real-world context. Things from active commuting, the congestion charge, the environment. We have lecturers, professors, people on the course from different countries. It's really incredible just to hear what policy in life is like there and how I can use that and take that on board. I'm currently doing my dissertation and I'm doing a cross-sectional study looking at the cost of living crisis and the effect this has in young adults' eating behaviours. I've had such great support from my supervisor to put what I've learned into practice. The course made me realise with the current situation within the UK, the cost of living crisis is something I'm really passionate about and I want to make a change in, and I feel like the course has given me all the skills I could possibly ever need to go out there and do that.